scary. Like, I don't know where this bird head is, but it's breathing. As you can see, it's breathing.
You're weird.
No, I'm not. This is weird. This thing is breathing, and it's just like you don't even know where its head is.
That thing scared me. Where's his head?
I'm gonna go around the front of it. The bird's head is literally...
Where's his head?
His head is missing. Somehow, this bird is breathing still. Standing here, breathing.
How are you breathing, Mr. Bird? Maybe we ask the other birds.
I'm gonna close it up. I don't know if his head is turned inside.
Looks like it is inside his head.
Oh shit, motherfucker!
Oh my god, this is inside.
Yo, what is it? Is it a baby bird?
Yeah, it's a baby bird. Just like this.
That's not a baby bird, yo.
It's like this. See, look.
That's not a baby bird. Demon baby bird. That thing came out. Oh, you heard me when I said. I was like, oh.